It's not that I'm necessarily a fan of Toy Biz X-Men figures. It's just that they are so cheap. This one is the X-Men 2099 La Lunatica with her futuristic highlight. I actually got this from Kokomo Toys on eBay. I've not actually been to the shop. It's not super far away from where I live, but it's kind of off the beaten path. And believe it or not, I got this for $5 shipped, so that's pretty crazy. I actually almost bought one at a flea market for $7. So I'm glad I did not do that. But there are obviously lots and lots and lots of Toy Biz X-Men figures. I opened a Weapon X before. Um, the X-Men 2099, not really familiar with any of these figures. I mean, I'm sure I had a couple of the comics when I was a kid, because there was Punisher 2099, there was Spider-Man 2099, who they've actually brought back, Doom 2099, Hawk 2099. I'm not sure if they made any other 2099, but obviously it was the future, which honestly now, what, it's 2017, so that's 82 years from now. Yeah, I'll be gone then, but my kids might still be around. We'll see if we have this futuristic world. So this character here, she's pretty badass. She's got some sweet hair and a choker. Oh, she's got a little, is that some kind of like uppercut action? I don't know if that works too great. Right arm swings forward to launch energy ball. Oh, they both kind of, but does it stick? Is that? Oh, okay. There we go. So she can do that. So we got her. So let's see. Before joining the X-Men, the fierce La Lunatica. Sorry. The fierce La Lunatica was a prisoner of the sinister Brimstone Love. Not sure who that is. A psychic vampire, La Lunatica feeds on the traumatic memories of others. Memories she brings screaming back to life with the slightest touch. Yikes. Tough as nails and super strong, La Lunatica has broken free of Brimstone's control and aims to bring the curtain crashing down on a sadistic theater of pain. So, yikes, that cuts pretty deep. So, I'm getting her futuristic highlight thing on her wrist right now. Which is this? There we go. Alright, so there's that. And this is like an energy. What's this called? Energy ball? Oh, I just dropped it. Let's see here. Oh, there's actually like a peg. I don't know if you can see that. There's a peg and there's a hole on this thing. This is turning out to be more difficult than I anticipated. There we go. Oh, okay. Of course it falls out. Alright. If anything I hope to accomplish today, it is properly launching La Lunatica's energy ball from her futuristic highlight. There we go. Uh-oh. Got a little crooked. Here we go. The anticipation's killing me, and there it goes. It was just, I mean, even there, it kind of looks like she's just flipping an omelet or something. So the energy ball launching is kind of a bust. It was certainly no challenger, but I don't know. But I think that's a cool figure. You know, look, that'll look cool on the shelf. It's just something different. And the action feature actually works well. I'm kind of surprised about that. It's kind of a Kenner superpowers kind of deal. So she can chop people, she can fling other things. But yeah, this little red booger just isn't really cutting it. So anyway, X-Men 2099, La Lunatica, futuristic highlight. That's just not the highlight of my day.